Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. How are you? My name is Rita Pangestuti. You can call me Rita. I am 22 years old. My height is 159 centimeter and my weight is 52 kilograms. My last education is high school. I am Muslim and I'm still single. I have work experience before in Surabaya for 2 years. I do general cleaning, cooking, and go to market, washing and ironing clothes, taking care of two children and grandma. In my employer house, there are five people, sir, ma'am, grandma, and two children. I don't afraid of dog. I can cook pork, but I don't eat pork. I want work in Hong Kong because I want earn more money for myself and my parents. I hope sir and mom hire me. I will go hard work, being honest and listen what sir and mom says. Thank you ma'am, thank you sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.